Hey guys, I not so long ago got back from Walmart. I went by myself. I did me some retail therapy because I needed it. And I was about to be out, like for real. I was over it. So I was leaving to go to the bank and not to the bank, to the store, and I had stopped at the park because I was vlogging on my third channel and just talking. And then my mama doctor called, so I had to go to the office and talk to her oncologist. So I had to go talk to her, and she was giving me updates on stuff. And now mama gotta go get some more scans and stuff done with like her mouth and nose area and stuff. So y'all just keep her in y'all prayer because they seen something on her PET scan that doesn't look good. But God, that's all I'm gonna say. Okay. So they gonna call to set all that up, but I had to go do that. And then when I left from there, I was listening to my praise and worship, so I didn't even turn the camera, nothing back on. I went into Walmart. I text Jordan. I cut my phone on silent because I knew them people wasn't gonna call back while I was in the store because she said it'll either be tomorrow or Friday. So I put it on do not disturb. I knew nobody wasn't gonna need nothing. Jordan was home with both of the mamas. They was fine. And I just went in the store. I walked around. I went on the home and garden side. I walked around and just got some stuff that Alicia wanted. I needed some new towels, so I just got me some of that little mainstay towels. That's like $2 and something. I got some more kitchen towels because I wanted to pick some up. Then I got this little tablecloth for Mama because I'm going to decorate her kitchen again. I told y'all that. I had needed some more laundry detergent, so I went on and got that because I would have to go back and get it anyway. Then I got Phillip some bread and then some fruits and mint, go with my water, some mangoes. Then I seen these cute little spreader knives. So I got these for Phillip and myself when I'm putting butter or cream cheese and stuff. These was like $3.98, something like that. They wasn't more than that. And you get 4 and they thick. These things are so thick. So if any of my ladies that's watching, they got kids and y'all don't want y'all kids dealing with no knife, get these things. Or just get them for y'all because they cute and they're thick. They are so thick, y'all. Then I got me a new can opener because I needed one. The Pioneer Woman. It was on sale for $5 something. Got me 2 little candles. But I did do a haul on my third channel. If y'all interested, just ask me and I'll tell y'all what the name of it is. You can inbox me or ask me in the comment section. But if y'all ain't interested, don't even bother, child, because y'all ain't going to be interested in the video, in the channel. And it's not, I don't do like hauls and stuff over there. Like I said, since this was more retail therapy and that channel is just more me, real life, everyday mama stuff, it ain't involving the family. It ain't involving the mamas, the husband, nobody. It's for me. What we deal with as women, men can chime in too because it's men that got to do it every day too. And they just feel like some days they just want to be like, I'm out of here, peace. So, yeah, real life. That's what that channel is. And I got me a watch because I wanted me one. It's a little great value one, so it ain't nothing bougie. It's cheap. Then I got me these little containers for my refrigerator. I just did these because I know I can bleach these in some water and some dish detergent. I don't have to worry about them cracking or even getting the thick. Because I got the thick, clear ones. But one of them had cracked already. And the other one looked like it's about to crack. So I bought these. And I got 5 of them. And they was like $1. I think $1.28 or $1.48. I got me a new dish drain, a bigger one. So yeah, like I said, that was just more for me. I didn't want to go get no clothes or nothing. Because I went shopping online and bought me some stuff. I told y'all back in January since I didn't get myself nothing for Christmas. And they are just coming in. Because I got, like I said, I got them from different companies. So they're just coming in this month. But that was like my Christmas to myself. Then I got some stuff, household stuff from Temu. So a lot of stuff I didn't buy because I got from them. So y'all will see those. If y'all are interested in seeing the household Temu items, they will be on the second channel, Making Groceries in Mississippi, and y'all will see all the nice household stuff I got. I got a sheet, a comforter, it's a throw blanket, but it's a king size and it fit on that bed perfectly, y'all. Put it on the bed last night. I love it. And I got some stuff for Mama. Yeah, so I'm happy about it. So now I'm about to get my laundry detergent and stuff stocked up and get my tablecloth done. I don't remember if I said it on this channel, but we went and got our dryer yesterday, so they will be bringing that tomorrow, which is Thursday. And I cannot wait. I'm so grateful and thankful that the Lord made it so that we was able to go to the laundromat and dry our clothes, wash it, and just dry our clothes. But thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. We'll have it tomorrow. because just the convenience of it and not having to be spending all that money. But now we got leaks with our pipes. That's in our bathroom area. But I thank the Lord in advance because I know He's gonna fix it. So everything with Mama, just everything, it's already handled. It's already done. Like I say it all the time. I just know God is working. He's doing it. He's working, and it's all gonna be on time. All gonna be on time. So close my little thing. This thing used to close good. Hold on, yeah. Okay, sorry about that. And now, yeah, you don't even want to close right. Jordan says it's probably just short, but it's okay. I'm going to have it open. I had it open for a little bit. Jordan took Mama to the bank. Mama, come home. I'm going to close it. And I be like, Mama, let some fresh air in. But that glare, and I understand that glare be getting her. But then she'll be like, it's dark in here. I said, I know. I said, if you open up so many, but she was like, that glare. I said, well, Mama, look, sweetheart, either you won't deal with the glare or it's just going to be dark. Because you can't, it ain't nothing else to do. You don't want to have your lights on all day, so it's either you're going to have to just suck it up and deal with the glare or whatever. So, I don't know. This must be Deontay money because nobody else had money just sitting there. All right, y'all. But that's it. Let me go and get this stuff together and put up. I got a lot already on my camera that I got to edit. So I don't want stuff just sitting on my camera. This is my bag that I brought. I know I said in that review that I was not going to be toting this bag till I got ready to go on our trip. But you know what I said? Child, look, we live every day. And we got to live every day to the fullest. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to bring my bag. Bump all that. Like, you live once. Enjoy it.
Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just want to
what thing, son? Come here, let me see.
It feels like it's coming off.
Come on.
Unless you just put my
No, this one just got dang on. Hold it. Go get your other one that wraps around your head.
Oh, it just got a hole. Like this.
Now, I'm going to get Jordan Abrams and Deontay.
Is it in your room or is it in my room?
It should be in your, it should be on your room. Go tell your pops to come here. I cleaned this whole kitchen up. He came in here and fixed Deontay his food. I don't know what they thinking. Phillip, go see Deontay. Come here. Deontay, did you eat? I hope y'all can see his house. Well, why you didn't put the food up, baby? I'll tell you pops come in.
Let's go.
I don't know if y'all seen Romeo the way the camera was. I'm not gonna say I cleaned this kitchen up. And Jordan came in here and fixed Deontay his taco because Jordan did some food today. I had this whole kitchen clean. Deontay, are you gonna eat any meatloaf? Yes or no? No. Okay. Well, you need to come do some tacos, bro.
Just 20 and 50. Got it. That's
So, get y'all fork and get y'all something to drink.
That's a lot of it. Ma'am.
Did you fix Deontay his food? I'm just saying, did you fix Deontay his tacos?
One.
Huh?
One.
I don't care if you fix him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you fix him his food?
Get out the kitchen.
Shut up.
Get out of the kitchen.
So that's
Every
his-
time you get in the kitchen, you make
That's his food.
Get out
I
there.
didn't do that.
Oh, he fixed it.
I literally said, I did
Wait
it.
here. Dump
Get
this
out.
Dump this out.
Respectfully, get out.
Because I'm finna clean this kitchen now. Because I'm not coming in here in the morning to no
I
mess.
don't want you to come in here at all.
Oh, you about to blame me for that?
Oh, because I didn't know who did it. That's why. Well, that's I just said because the container.
Put the can on the house.
I'm sitting down for 5 minutes.
No, it's not that thing I said, but I just got finished cleaning up this kitchen right before Jordan came back with you. I had everything wiped down. I don't mind you eating at all. Of course I'm going to ask questions. When you're at your house, if something is missing or something dirty, you going to ask questions. Child, please. Because you call me and say, Mama, you know what? I'm just like you. I get aggravated when they do such and such. Yeah.
Yeah, when I stay with Carl.
Anywho, and see, now it's done. So that didn't call for no get out. It calls for me coming in here and cleaning up so I don't have to do it in the morning. If you know the weekend I had, you would understand where I'm coming from. And I'm about to. Well, Riri ate. Deontay said he ain't gonna eat nothing, and I don't fix that. So when you done, just put it in the refrigerator, please. I left the whole spot for it. Thank you. Thank you, love. You see, he ain't gonna say nothing else. He said he ain't finna get blamed for Nathan. Phillip, here, come get y'all food. I was insurance and then at 8. Get out of my way.
I know something. I'm not that dumb.
Did you get y'all something to drink?
Well, no, we gonna drink.
Well, they got juice in the refrigerator. Get both of y'all fork or spoon, whatever y'all gonna get. There go y'all, both of y'all plates is warmed up. Y'all got green beans, meatloaf, mashed potatoes. And you can give him whatever snacks he wants. Gummy bears, I don't care. Whatever, y'all, you ask for gummy bears, chips, y'all know how to eat snacks. Ooh, look at them ashy feet. Boy, you put some lotion on them ashy feet. So if you don't give him some lotion, put
He
on
got
lotion.
lotion.
Romeo, don't do that no more. Don't you do that no more, Romeo. You go put some lotion.
Oh, you had on stop.
You leave him alone. You now you can eat first. Yeah, you can eat first. I was just playing. I had to mess with you, Romeo. Sorry.
My mama like messing with me.
I had to mess with him. He said I ain't even that ashy.
Romeo, what
He
did
said
you
my feet ain't even that ashy. I sent Deontay that video that was on TikTok and Instagram that's saying that the firstborn child is a duplicate copy of his mother, and he is. That is my baby up and down, y'all.
I don't tickle people when they come.
No, I tickle you. I still tickle Deontay. And he gonna soon be 30 years old.
Girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go